App Development Mastery, Creating and Monetizing Mobile Applications. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we unlock the secrets of creating and monetizing mobile applications. In today's digital era, mobile applications have become an integral part of our daily lives. From communication to entertainment, productivity to shopping, there's an app for almost everything. However, behind every successful app lies a strategic development and monetization plan. This guide aims to provide insights into mastering the art of creating and monetizing mobile applications, empowering developers to build profitable ventures in the competitive app market. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. Number 10. Understanding market trends. Before diving into app development, it's crucial to understand current market trends and user demands. Conduct thorough market research to identify popular app categories, emerging niches, and user preferences. Analyze competitor apps to discern their strengths, weaknesses, and unique selling propositions. By gaining insights into market dynamics, developers can align their app ideas with user needs, increasing the chances of success. Number 9. Defining clear objectives. Successful app development starts with setting clear objectives. Define the purpose of your app, target audience, and key features. Whether it's solving a specific problem, providing entertainment, or enhancing productivity, clarity in objectives guides the development process and ensures alignment with user expectations. Additionally, establish measurable goals such as user engagement metrics, retention rates, and revenue targets to track the app's performance and iterate accordingly. Number 8. User-centric design. User experience, UX, plays a pivotal role in the success of a mobile application. Prioritize intuitive navigation, visually appealing design, and seamless interactions to enhance user satisfaction. Conduct usability testing to gather feedback and identify areas for improvement. By focusing on user-centric design principles, developers can create engaging experiences that keep users coming back for more, driving app monetization opportunities through increased engagement and retention. Number 7. Monetization strategies. There are various monetization strategies available to app developers, including in-app purchases, subscriptions, advertisements, and freemium models. Choose the monetization strategy that aligns with your app's value proposition and target audience preferences. For example, if your app offers premium features or content, consider implementing a freemium model with optional upgrades. Alternatively, if your app relies on frequent user engagement, in-app advertisements can generate revenue while keeping the app free for users. Number 6. Leveraging data analytics. Data analytics is instrumental in optimizing app performance and monetization strategies. Implement analytics tools to track user behavior, demographics, and engagement patterns. Analyze metrics such as user acquisition cost, CSC, lifetime value, OTV, and retention rates to gain actionable insights into user acquisition and retention strategies. By leveraging data analytics, developers can make informed decisions, refine their monetization strategies, and maximize app revenue. Number 5. Iterative development process. App development is an iterative process that involves continuous refinement and optimization. Release minimum viable products, MVPs, to gather feedback from early adopters and iterate based on user input. Embrace agile development methodologies to adapt to changing market dynamics and user preferences swiftly. By iterating on features, addressing user feedback, and releasing updates regularly, developers can enhance the app's value proposition, drive user engagement, and increase monetization opportunities. Number 4. Implementing effective marketing strategies. Building a great app is only half the battle. Effective marketing is essential to drive user acquisition and retention. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy encompassing App Store optimization, ASO, social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and content marketing. Create compelling App Store listings with optimized keywords and visuals to improve discoverability and attract organic downloads. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your target audience, showcase app features, and encourage user-generated content. Collaborate with influencers and content creators to reach new audiences and generate buzz around your app. Number 3. Enhancing user engagement. User engagement is key to maximizing app monetization opportunities. Implement gamification elements, push notifications, and personalized experiences to keep users engaged and coming back to your app. Gamification techniques such as rewards, achievements, and leaderboards can incentivize user participation and drive repeat usage. Additionally, leverage push notifications to re-engage dormant users, promote new features, and encourage in-app actions. By enhancing user engagement, developers can increase ad impressions, in-app purchases, and subscription renewals, ultimately boosting app revenue. Number 2. Building a strong community. Fostering a strong community around your app can significantly impact its success and monetization potential. Create channels for user feedback, support, and community engagement such as forums, social media groups, and user communities. Encourage users to share their experiences, offer suggestions for improvements, and interact with fellow users. By building a loyal user community, developers can cultivate brand advocates and promote the app through word-of-mouth referrals, social sharing, and positive reviews, driving organic growth and monetization opportunities. Number 1. Adapting to market changes. The mobile app landscape is constantly evolving, with new technologies, trends, and regulations shaping the industry. Stay abreast of market changes, emerging technologies, and regulatory developments to adapt your app strategy accordingly. Embrace new platforms, such as wearables, augmented reality, AR, and voice assistants, to reach new audiences and innovate your app offerings. Additionally, comply with privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA, to build user trust and avoid potential legal issues. By staying agile and adaptable, developers can future-proof their apps, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and sustain long-term monetization success. Mastering mobile app creation and monetization demands strategic planning, user-centric design, and constant iteration. Understanding market trends, setting clear objectives, and deploying effective monetization strategies are key. Through iterative development, data-driven decisions, and smart marketing, developers can drive engagement, monetization, and sustainable growth in the dynamic mobile ecosystem. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.